Yo, have you ever wanted to level up your Zoom meetings by going from this to this? Just using your phone? I can show you how to do it. Let's check it out. So the first thing that you're going to do is download an app called Camo on your phone. It's a free app and it looks like this. Come on, autofocus. Okay, that's an easy way of doing that. All right, then once you open it up, it's going to ask you to install an app on your computer. Now, the thing about this, you have to be hooked up to your computer. That's number one. It doesn't work over Wi-Fi. And honestly, I've tried a couple different apps to use your iPhone as a webcam. And this is by far the best one because it is a wired app and not a wireless app, because Wi-Fi can get kind of weird sometimes. Okay, so once you download that, it's going to ask you to download it into your computer, and then you're going to go into the computer, and I'll go ahead and share my screen, and we're over here in the app. Okay, so this is the Camo app. So you want to have them both up open at the same time. Okay, so we get a couple different settings. You see that my phone is charged at 88%. That is plugged in. So this is the free version. This is the free version, which actually to me is more than capable of doing what you need it to do. Okay, if you want to get into a couple, like some more settings, then you pay for it. It's about $40 a year or $4.99 a month. Or if you just want to pay a one-time fee, I believe it's $80 for the whole thing. Me personally, I think it's good enough for the free, and I'll show you why. So you have a couple different modes here. Okay, you have a basic portrait, which gives you a little bit of the blurred background here. I don't really like this though, honestly. You can mute your background. That looks crazy, you know. Emoji face. Emoji hands. Bam. So you got a lot of like silly stuff in here. You could do, if you kind of like a music video or whatever, you could do that. So I'm not going to go into all of these, but you can see like the Portrait Pro. Let me turn this off, bro. And then we're at 720p, which is, I feel like it's really good. But if you just want to level it up, I guess a little bit more, then you can go to 1080. But again, that's a pro model. That's a pro feature. You could say where you want your audio to come from, but because we're using the mic, we're not using this audio. Okay, but you can though, so that's good. And then you got a couple different presets here. So if you want to go warmer, that looks crazy. If you want to go a little bit cooler, or if you want to just go crazy with it, you know, we're in the 80s. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Okay, anyway. And then we're back to normal. Okay, I don't know if you can see it over. Okay, you should be able to see my screen. So over here, you can't change these under the free version. But so like if I cover the screen, you see the ISO, it's like adjusting itself, you know. See that right there is going up and down. So that's pretty cool. It's a smart, you know, it's doing it the smart way already. Okay. Let's see what. Okay, so this is the last thing I want to show you. So once we installed everything we needed to install, you don't have to keep this open in order for the app to work. Okay, so you can close that, and now we're in Zoom. So you're in Zoom, you're on your FaceTime camera, you go up here and you would pick re-incubate Camo. And then bam, you right here. You know, now you look really professional. You look like you know what you're doing. You look like you done spent some money on a camera, and that this Zoom meeting is that important to me. You know, I hope this was super helpful. This is a free option to use your phone, and we'll see you on the next one.